Yes, so I say good morning to my people where they're there. For all around every corner, every. I want to let you know to say this morning, as you watch us so, now top channel 195 Wazobia TV, on top start time. Well, good. As you just have done to say, who be this man now? Now our guy, the only number one Papa Jojo. Any other Papa Jojo na counterfeit. So, you just have done to say this morning, wait till we get to give that this morning, wait till we get to offer that this morning. On top this Wazobia fitness segment. Now we got the Kaibo season 13. So you just have to say yes. You want to feel every impact, every impact of punch and kick. Not just a formation to make you feel your fitness level. So my people where they watch us. I want me to say just waiting. Put on your trainers, wear your gym outfit. Just the followers go as they go like that. But meanwhile, as one I don't know now, not only Papa Jojo they fly for inside the wagon, they always get guests where they want your body with them. So I go let you know say the guest where they behind me, no let them surprise you, no let them shock you, no let them catch you unaware. His name now Israel or Cov 7. So as we go this morning, just waiting. Follow us with your count like that. Go 1, 2. Follow your count 3. Now with hard level, now we go. My people where they watch us this morning, as they flow up already, you will see say the main purpose of this special program now to help you feel the impact of this program for your hips as they go like that. So 2 less. Yes. 3. Now so you go 4. Like that. 5, 6, 7, then 8. See as you change. See your hand. 2. Like that. 3. Yes. So 4. Follow up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you go like that. Yes. Yes. So 3 with action. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now see 1. Go. 2, 3, like that. 4, 5, with action. 6, 7, 8, 1, like that. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 8, bend. 1, like that. 2, 3. We want to do it for the other side. To my viewers where they follow us. Eight again. 1 to 8. You don't give up. You see my people where they watch us. Look, my guest. He did somehow tough. But you see, all this formation program now to help you acquire the best fitness. You see, say, it kick out. The same time, it flex this one. Every program, every step, every kick, every flexion of the knee, get your own impact. Like that. 7, 8. All right. Sit away. They're gonna 1, 2. Like that. 3, 4, 5. Like that. 6, 7, 8. All right. You go like that. Yes. Where you count? You see the way my guests they go like that. 5, 6. Yes, so my people where they follow us up. I want to really appreciate now for this special time when I don't get with us. I want to let you know, say, until tomorrow again, we're going to see again. But don't forget, say, this fitness program, you watch them for top channel 195 start time. So until tomorrow, me and my guests, the only Papa Jojo, we say, bye-bye, see you. 8. Now go train. 1, like that. 2, see the way they go. 3, you need to feel the impact for your thighs.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.